Welcome back again. Let us discuss about PMO. The PMO stands for Project Management Office. That is PMO. A typical PMO provides the procedures, the guidelines, the tools, templates, the metrics formats to be collected and facilitates the implementation of these things and provides the training to the project teams regarding the project management aspects and the tools and stuff like that. So a PMO is more like a facilitating department which supports the project when it comes to project management, guidelines, procedures, tools, templates, knowledge, and sometimes even personnel. So depending on the power of the PMOs and the ability to influence and their ability to influence the project, PMOs can be primarily classified into supportive PMOs, controlling PMOs, and directive PMOs. The supportive PMOs power over the projects are very limited, so all they have is expert power. So they can provide training to the project teams, they can on how to manage a project, on the project strategy, on the tools, templates, the metrics to be collected, the reporting formats. So a supportive PMO supports the projects with respect to these things. Then comes a controlling PMO. They have a slightly higher power than the supportive PMO. A controlling PMO can conduct audits, assessments, again they can enforce these metrics collection, analysis, and they provide input to the management. The controlling PMOs have slightly more authority than the supportive PMOs. Supportive PMOs are just a facilitator kind of thing, whereas controlling PMOs have the authority to conduct even audits, assessments, metric collection, analysis, management, and providing report to the management, all those things. Then we have directive PMOs. Sometimes a directive PMO has very high levels of authority levels, and sometimes even the project managers are allocated by the directive PMOs. That means all the project managers may be reporting into the directive PMO, and they only allocate the project managers to the projects based on the need of the projects. So we discussed that if a PMO is a centralized agency, or it's more like another department which provides the knowledge, templates, techniques, guidelines, training, and sometimes they are empowered to do audits, assessments, metrics collection, metrics analysis, and providing vital inputs to the management and as well as to the teams. And at the highest level, there are this directive PMOs, where it is the PMO who even allocates the project managers to the project. Typically, these PMOs take care of the shared resources, which are very critical. So the PMO's responsibility primarily is at a program level. So the time, cost, scope of the program, or at an organizational level, whereas project managers, their primary focus is at the time, cost, scope of the project level. To summarize our discussion, we said that PMO is a centralized agency which provides support to the project teams. And the PMO can take minimum of 3 forms, like a supportive PMO, a controlling PMO, and a directive PMO. And a supportive PMO has very less power, so they play a kind of a facilitator role by providing the procedures, guidelines, templates, training, those kind of thing. Whereas a controlling PMO can conduct audits, assessments, and provide non-conformance reports, suggest solutions. So they are into the controlling format. Then we have the directive PMOs, which has the maximum authority levels, where maybe even all project managers may be reporting into that directive PMO. And the directive PMO appoints the project managers based on the need of the project. The focus of the PMOs are slightly macro in nature, whereas the project manager's focus is limited to the project's time, cost, and scope constraints. I hope this video added some value to you. Please read the text provided at the bottom of this video that will highlight whatever we discussed here once again. And if you are seeking those PDUs, take the assessment. The link is also provided at the bottom of the description, provided at the bottom of this video. Suggest or recommend these videos to as many people as possible. And if you are seeking PDUs from this, for learning from these videos, please register by clicking the link at the bottom of this video. Hope to see you soon again with another video. Thank you very much.